gonna open a box that says, you can't show it on video, but we're going to show you the contents of the video. Contents of the video, contents of the packet.
The video, wow.
Contents of the packet on the video.
You're going crazy.
I'm going crazy. Dun dun dun. All right, it says security attention, no photos. So this video will be up once the product is out in the market. Prior to that, I will not. Dun, dun, dun.
Cliffhanger. To make them watch another video.
Stay tuned. Ah! I'm kidding. It is a Magic Touch Blush Trio by Anastasia. Alright, so here are the instructions. It says it's a summer launch. Oh, Impeccable Hydra Prime SPF 50. It's a Magic Blush Trio, 3 shades, or a Smooth Blur Bronzer, 7 shades. So I got the blush. Status is highly confidential. And it says, we are pleased to share with you samples of our new product for your review. These products are enclosed and have not yet launched. It is imperative to keep the information and materials confidential until the launch. Releasing any pictures, swatches. 3. Yep. Picture swatches or marketing materials related to this item will negatively affect the success of our planned launch. And
it smells
thank
weird.
you in advance for understanding
Move your head.
the product
Yummy.
development team. All right, let me see. All right.
Careful. Smells
These
kinda
are the
weird.
colors. It's a trio.
Mommy, can you mix 3 colors?
Move your head, please. They're
Berry
recording.
rose. Sorry, mulberry, fuchsia, and orange red. I personally like these colors. These two. This one, yeah.
What is this?
It's a blush.
Oh, blush. True. What a
This is the packaging, and it's in a cream. A cream,
Mom,
and
it's like-
I will swatch.
It's like how paint is.
Yeah, basically. Hold on. Swatching.
Oh, wow. That looks exactly like paint.
Man, can I try?
A little bit goes a long way. No.
A little bit goes a long way. That's right. Oh wow.
Let me see.
A little bit does go a long way.
You did 2 rubs and wow.
No, I only did 1 swatch. You can't play with that. It's not a toy. Thank you.
Mom, I said I want to try.
No, it's
No,
for
we
mommy.
can't try. Yeah, it's for mommy. It's for her skin.
I need it. La, 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 la.
Wow, the red is very pigmented. This one looks like really nice. Look at this. The purple.
Oh.
The one that looks, sorry, not the purple, the fuchsia. The fuchsia looks really nice. The red a little goes a long way. And then the mulberry, it kind of
Looks like a bruise.
peeled. Yeah, and it looks like a bruise. So more for like a lip color or like an eyeshadow. But this one looks really nice like as a blush. So it's a Magic Blush Trio. I honestly, I like it. The red one, honestly, I feel like it would be great for a lip color. What do you think?
Lip color.
Agree?
This one for a lip color. This one would be for like blush or maybe eyeshadow, and this like eyeshadow for the night.
For then like a night out.
A night out.
Totally.
Same with the middle one.
Yeah. Okay, so that's my review on the Anastasia Magic Touch Blush Trio. So there's a few products launching, but I got the blush. Okay. So we still have the primer to try and the smoothing blur bronzer. And it comes in 7 shades. The bronzer comes in 7 shades.
Listen.
All right. Thank you guys for watching an unboxing of a new product. I don't know when I'm going to be able to post this stuff. This is
Wow.
until the 25th. June 25th. So that means I can start wearing this. Today is June
14th.
Today is June 14th. So I'm gonna try it today.
Mommy shirt.
I'm gonna try it today. Should I try it today?
Or
I'm gonna try
try today.
I'm gonna try fuchsia as a blush today.
The pink one?
Yes,
I can't tell colors. Yeah, fuchsia.
so fuchsia is like kind of like a purple,
Purplish, pinkish.
Purple
and then
pink.
the red one is just red.
and then this is the mulberry. They're very creamy though, like
All
look at that.
around the mulberry bush.
Monkey chased
The weasel. The monkey stopped to pull up his sock. Pop goes the weasel.
Bye.